AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA in every practical sense is right now at $0, a pretty genuinely huge manner. AMP, all things considered, faces medium-term obstruction at $0, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP keeps certainly extremely descending development today in a kind of genuinely significant manner. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters, all things considered, walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these oftentimes generally clarified some things. What explicitly is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for AMP? Explicitly is AMP an excellent venture, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP support in opposition levels and so forth amazingly. Yet, prior to jumping especially certainly profound into the AMP specialized examination, by and large let us in a real sense discuss the especially exceptionally current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the by and large in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the actually certainly whole cryptographic money market to $106,973,065,872 in an unpretentious manner in a genuinely significant way. The sort of complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $25,050,644,957 or so they sort of thought, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%, truly all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39. Following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period in a significant manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 1.93 and at present exchanging at 53 cents, which generally is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions generally explicitly show that the market explicitly is going in a genuinely descending heading for essentially sort of momentary in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a by and large broad for the most part regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large sort of are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which for the most part shows that yet prior to jumping truly profound into the AMP specialized examination, entirely let us really discuss the extremely current economic situations, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense generally become genuinely more kind of dynamic and actually in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is very huge. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which dealers by and large move exceptionally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market especially is going in an especially essentially descending bearing for kind of present moment, which all things considered, is very huge incredibly. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP truly is at $0, down 2.27% in the genuinely sort of beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, showing how market examination over the actually quite last 24 hours. There basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $106,973,065,872 or so they essentially by and large thought. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is $5,028,737.00 while fundamentally all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 USD in a for the most part significant manner amazingly. There quite are practically 42,227,702,186 really are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in a kind of significant manner. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a truly everyday time period generally made sense of underneath, showing how AMP value investigation AMP cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time span especially made sense of beneath, or so they entirely all goals and purposes thought. We utilize essentially relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal intermingling and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty extremely straightforward moving in every way that really matters. Normal and remarkable moving pretty normal to break down the future development of the AMP. Exceptionally beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking by and large. While AMP's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. A exchange decently especially signal for the most part generally is really conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the AMP specialized examination. In every practical sense, let us explicitly discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in an especially most certainly significant manner. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid in a fundamentally huge manner. AMP financial backers need to sort of especially sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, showing how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in a real sense explicitly has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. The main help level for AMP sort of is at $0, the sort of second one basically is at $0, exhibiting that the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these habitually especially generally got clarification on pressing issues. What certainly is very transient cost expectation for AMP. Most certainly is AMP a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner, which by and large is very huge. While taking about obstruction the AMP really has R1 and R2 at $0, so similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers for the most part become move fundamentally dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin as cost from moving higher, exhibiting that these occasions by and large show that the market explicitly in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for decently present moment, or so they in a real sense thought in a significant way. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and entirely is attempting to in a real sense break out of the lack of bias zone, showing that XRP the especially local coin of XRP generally is up by 1.93 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, which basically is genuinely critical in an especially significant manner. Ends AMP in a real sense is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to suggest that the digital money really is in an unsafe circumstance that can't explicitly be corrected, which truly is genuinely huge, regardless of whether the cost certainly truly is falling consistently. It especially is guessed that the two help levels will truly act as most certainly solid boundaries and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the actually genuinely sure zone. Genuinely further appearance how these occasions basically show that the market generally is